Hello my dear students, welcome to the class of 11th English Medium. The subject is Statistics, Chapter 3, Measures of Central Tendency, brought to you by Vitan Sir. This is the continuation of the exercise 3.4. I'm going to make this a short one. I'm only going to explain two questions, that is question number 4 and question number 5. In my previous video, which you can find on the top right corner of your screen, I explained question number 1 and 2 of the exercise 3.4. I gave question number 3 as a homework. It was a very easy sum. This time I am going to explain question number 4, 5 and again I am going to give 6 as your homework self-practice again, which is a very easy sum. Let's start with question number 4. Use the following data to find the median salary of employees of the firm. Also, find the lower limit of richest 20% employees. Now we have to do two values here. We have to find two values. The data is given, as you can see, the data is given as 5 or more, 10 or more, 15 or more. So this is kind of a cumulative frequency already. We need to convert this data into a regular classes using the second table. So the salary in 1000 rupees. First data, the more than 5, more than 10 will make the first class 5 to 10. The second class will be 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and then last will be as it is 30 or more. Because more than 30 I don't know how far to go, so just I am going to leave it as it is. How to calculate the frequency? Just find the difference of the two frequencies. For example, if I am taking 5 and 10, then the frequencies of 5 and 10 will be differentiated. 120 minus 117 will be 0.3. Similarly, if I am taking the class 10 to 15, then 10 has 117, 15 has 106, so the difference will be 11. So likewise, I will create all of my frequencies here for all the classes of the data. Next, I have to calculate the cumulative frequency, CF. Now first class cumulative frequency will be as it is 0.3, then 3 plus 11 14 plus 30 44 plus 45 89 plus 19 108 and plus 12 120. That means the total number of frequencies are 120. Now I have to start with calculation of the median class. Median class will be class of n upon 2 observation, n is 120, so 1 upon 120 upon 2, that would be class containing 60th observation. Now from this cumulative frequency you can see that 60 falls under the CF 89 and the class of that is 20 to 25. So the CF for 60th observation lies in the class 20 to 25. Next we have to calculate all the measurements of L, lower limit point, that is 20, the frequency of the class is 45, the cumulative frequency before our class is 44 and the class length is 5. Next I have to start with the formula. M is L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into C. I am putting the value in the equation here. That way I get 20 plus 16 upon 45 into 5. When I simplify this, I get 20 plus 1.78. That would be 21.78 K rupees, that is 1000 rupees. So if I write the statement, the median salary of an employee must be rupees 21,780. Next, the second question was lower limit of the richest 20% of the employees. Let's see how to solve that. Find the lower limit of the richest 20% of the employees, or the 20% of employees with the highest salary. Now this is my number line, and highest 20%, highest means on the right side I am going to mark a line with the right side 20%. So on the right side I have 20%, on the left side I have 80%. Now always start your counting from the left side whenever you are denoting a measure. Now from the left side I have 80%, so I can either use percentile 80 or decile 8. So I am going to use the 8th decile in the calculation of this measure. So if I calculate 8th decile, I will get the lower limit of the 20% employees with highest salary. So this is a line showing a salary with lowest on the left to highest on the right. I am talking about 20% employees with highest salary. So highest side I have to come back 20%. So the remaining will be 80%, which will show actually D8. So I have to calculate 8th decile here. The class for that will be class of 8 upon 8 into n upon 10th observation, which would be 8 into 120 upon 10, and simplifying this I will get 96th observation. Now the 96th observation naturally falls under the class from the previous table of 25 to 30. You can just take a reference of the previous table to know these lower limit points and frequencies, the cumulative frequency and the class length. Next I have to start with D8, L plus 8n upon 10 minus Cf upon F into C. Similarly, D8 will be 25 plus 96 minus 89 upon 19 into 5. So when you simplify this, you get D8 is equal to 25 plus 1.84, which would be 26.84 thousand rupees. Now, the minimum expense of highest earning 20% of the employees will be 26,840 rupees. Moving on to next question of the exercise, the fifth one. The following table shows the monthly expense of the entertainment in a group of 100 students. We have to find the median of the expenses. Okay, the data is available already, that is expenses in rupees and number of students, that is the frequency. Now expenses in rupees, first one is less than 200, then 200 to 400, 400 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, and more than 800. That means we don't actually need to convert this class into anything. This is an open-ended class where the first and the last value has no limit, and between the values are given in the classes. The frequency is already there, as you can see. So no need to convert anything, just start with the cumulative frequency already. The CF will be 8 plus 2331 plus 4071 plus 1788 plus 795 plus 500. Okay, so let's start with the median class. The class of n upon 2 observation, the class of 100 upon 2 observation, the class of 50th observation. We have the 50th observation you can find in the CF of 71, which belongs to the class of 400 to 600. So start with the lower limit 400. The frequency of the class is 40. The cumulative frequency before the class is 31, and the class length of the class is 200. So start with your formula of median, that is L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into C. Now when you put the values, L becomes 400, n upon 2 is 50 minus CF 31 upon F 40 into C 200. So 50 minus 31 is 19 upon 40 into 200, and when you simplify that, you get 400 plus 95. So M is equal to 495 rupees it will be. So we can write a statement that the median expense of students must be rupees 495. Okay, so this was the question numbers 4 and 5. Now in the question number 6, as you must have your textbooks with you, you can see row data given. The question mentions that you have to find median using that row data first. So your first question will be finding the median using row data. You will have to arrange that row data into ascending order. Next thing you are asked is to convert that row data into inclusive continuous frequency distribution. The first class is already given, that is inclusive. That means the last point of that class should not be repeated, rather you will have to start with the next value for the next class. Accordingly, convert it into a continuous frequency distribution and then find median using this formula. And then you are supposed to compare the medians of the row data and the median of this continuous frequency distribution and check whether both the answers are same or not. Now at this point of time, it is not a rule that the answers should be same or should be different. It may be same, it may be different, we can't say anything about it. So you just have to do it yourself for the sake of the practice. With this, our median, quartile, decile, percentile portion is over. Next time I will start with the mode, the last measure of the central tendency, which we are going to study in this particular chapter. So wait for my next tutorial. Subscribe my channel if you have not done already, and like and comment this video and share it with your friends. Welcome students to With Answers Unacount Academy That's better way to success for you. I am Vitan Vora and I teach accountancy, statistics and social science. You can contact me on my cell number 919426310184. Please give a sub to my channel and also check out my other video playlist which you can see on the screen. Thank you and I will see you in the next video.